Today we'll show you how to enable or fix your microphone in Google. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go open your Google and go your this, and just we will now open our Google. Okay, just now we need to enable our microphone in Google Chrome. Okay, just now just go to this and go like this, and you are now allowed. This is for visiting. Okay, just now when I tell hello test, did you see? It's everything, it's okay. Maybe it's not working, or your microphone it's not working like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this. Okay, just now you can go to this here, just click and go here, and you can change from this. Okay, if you don't have this, just go now to manage and just click and choose your microphone working, like I have Red Dragon light camera recording now. Okay, just I do like this and apply it. Just remove this page and open this page, and now finally hello guys, it's okay, everything it's okay guys. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.